Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Jeep Gladiator in four-wheel drive. First, familiarize yourself with the transfer case lever, typically located next to the gear shifter. This lever controls the four-wheel drive system. Before engaging, ensure your vehicle is either stopped or moving at a very low speed, generally under 3 miles per hour. This prevents damage to the drivetrain components. Always consult your owner's manual for specific recommendations for your Gladiator model. To engage four-wheel drive high, or 4H, gently pull the transfer case lever from 2H straight back to the 4H position. You might feel a slight resistance, which is normal. This mode is ideal for situations requiring extra traction on loose or slippery surfaces, such as light snow, gravel roads, or wet grass. Avoid using 4H on dry, paved roads, as it can cause drivetrain binding and potential damage. Drive cautiously and adjust your speed to the conditions. For more challenging off-road situations, you'll need four-wheel drive low, or 4L. To engage 4L, first bring your Gladiator to a complete stop. Then, shift your automatic transmission into neutral, or depress the clutch if you have a manual. Now, firmly pull the transfer case lever through 4H and into the 4L position. This mode provides maximum torque and is perfect for rock crawling, deep sand, or very steep inclines. Remember, speed should be very low in 4L. To disengage four-wheel drive, reverse the process. For 4H, simply shift the transfer case lever back to 2H while moving at a low speed. For 4L, stop the vehicle, shift to neutral, and then move the lever back to 2H. It's a good practice to drive a short distance in 2H after disengaging to allow the system to fully unlock. Always remember to check the description below for links to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Proper use extends the life of your Gladiator's four-wheel drive system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.